Hi, so we are back with another one of our conversations, and today we have yet another guest with us. Samya, hi.
Hi everyone, I'm Samya and I'm doing BTech from Thapar and I'm so excited to have this conversation with you. So our topic
Likewise.
is
So today हम ना बड़ा ही अतरंगी से टॉपिक के ऊपर चर्चा करने वाले हैं. So today we're going to be talking about the dating culture that is presiding with us in our society in this current generation, which is the Gen Z, and basically getting to the conclusion on why do teenagers feel the need to date. So Samya, तो आपका what would you say has your experience been with the term dating or dating in general आज के इस जमाने के अंदर?
so for me, dating is basically having that one person you can be all lovey-dovey with and सारी जो हम rom-coms में देखते हैं going on dates, getting flowers and holding hands. But आजकल especially हमारी generation में dating के आगे इतनी subdivisions हो चुकी है like situationships, breadcrumbing, benching, talking stages. So yeah.
बहुत टफ है. तो व्हाई वुड यू से कि इतना ज्यादा हमने सब डिविजन्स बना रखे हैं, या इज इट जस्ट अ जनरल थिंग कि जो पहले भी थी अब भी है, बस अब उसको हमने एक टर्म कॉइन कर दिया है?
आई डोंट थिंक सो. हमारी पिछली जनरेशन में ये सब था. आवर जनरेशन इज gets influenced very easily. So जो हम foreign culture में देख रहे हैं, we're adapting to that. Be it situationships or be it talking stages like I was talking about earlier or doing it for the plot. ये सब foreign terms है जो हम उसके लिए कर रहे हैं and we have started giving our situations that term.
All right. So when you talk about getting that Western influence, but I would say somewhere कि देखो teenagers तो हर जगह होते हैं, and we are at that stage of 15, 16, 17 and 18 even, जहाँ पे हमारे hormones are on our peak and we get these attractions, we are growing sexually, spiritually, physically, and I feel like it's just to put it out there, it's very normal to have these sort of attractions, crushes or even dating in general. So the premise being इसमें कोई बुरी चीज नहीं है, but the culture or the perception with which we are getting into things, that is becoming a bit, you know, down the negative lines. So what would you say, is it because of the peer pressure या फिर dating in general आज क्या scene बन चुका है, what we see through internet, through movies, या what is your thought about that?
100% peer pressure I believe. हमारे आजकल जनरेशन में इफ आई टॉक अबाउट बॉयज तो बॉयज में बहुत होता है वो उसकी बंदी है तो मेरे को भी बंदी चाहिए. But if I, my take would be when I see rom-coms and I would like to imagine myself having that moment, going on dates, like I said earlier. So I think there's that difference in perspective between genders. So yeah.
Okay. So I won't say कि boys के अंदर in general just saying कि ठीक है उसकी बंदी है तो मुझे भी बनानी है, but I feel like कि हम कहीं ना कहीं we all want to be heroes in our own films, right? तो जब भी आप कोई फिल्म देखते हो या even you see a short film या any YouTube video of that sorts, कि उसके अंदर यू कैन ऑलवेज सी दैट द एंड रिजल्ट इज द गाय गेटिंग द गर्ल. ठीक है, तो आई फील लाइक समवेयर कि वो हमारे दिमाग में इम्प्रिंट हो रखा है कि व्हेन यू गेट टू दैट स्टेज इन योर लाइफ, व्हेन यू गेट द गर्ल, दैट इज द फिनिश, दैट इज द एंड. बट जस्ट सेइंग कि that is not the end, that is when you guys actually start your journey together. And I feel like लड़कियों का भी काफी टॉक्सिक स्टफ चल रहा है आजकल है.
टॉक्सिसिटी तो कुछ नहीं है. लाइक गिव मी एन एग्जांपल, देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू.
जैसे लड़कों को घुमाना,
Oh.
that's all I have to say.
No, there is no such thing as लड़कों को घुमाना. अगर ऐसा हो भी रहा है, it's very gender neutral thing कि लड़के भी लड़कियों को घुमा रहे हैं and likewise घुमा रहे हैं. तो I think बहुत डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस होंगी उनकी एंड हम एक जर्नलाइज बात नहीं बोल सकते कि ये इसलिए हो रहा है. मे बी उनकी सिचुएशन डिफरेंट है, मे बी गर्ल हैज सम डिफरेंट प्लान्स एंड गाय हैज सम डिफरेंट प्लान्स एंड आर नॉट गेटिंग अलोंग. देन गाय थिंक्स कि ओ ये तो मेरे को घुमा रही है.
बट आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू से कि लड़के ज्यादा से ज्यादा इमोशनल होते हैं. व्हाट डू यू फील? मेरे को तो लगता होते हैं.
I mean, yeah, it's good to be emotional, but definitely there is no comparison कि ओ गर्ल्स ज्यादा इमोशनल है, बॉयज ज्यादा इमोशनल है. आई थिंक दोनों को इमोशनल होना चाहिए, दोनों इमोशनली अवेलेबल होने चाहिए. एंड फॉर दैट सेक बॉयज आर नॉट इमोशनली अवेलेबल आजकल.
ओह, दिस इज अनदर एलिगेशन वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट. तो अच्छा, व्हाट वुड यू से कि देखो पीयर प्रेशर तो एस्टैब्लिश हो रखा है कि इट्स वन ऑफ दोस थिंग्स कि जिसकी वजह से कोई इंक्लाइन होगा शायद टुवर्ड्स दिस एंटायर डेटिंग कल्चर ऑफ सॉर्ट्स. तो मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि जैसे दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव आल्सो एक्सपीरियंस्ड कि when you are a couple, when a friend of mine या फिर जैसे भी आपके सोशल ग्रुप में when couples बनते हैं या फिर जो भी होता है, तो उनको ना एक सोशल हायरार्की में ना एक अपग्रेड सा मिल जाता है कि हाँ कि ठीक है दे आर अ कपल. तो एक क्या तो पीपल आर चेजिंग दैट टैग कि या वी आर डेटिंग जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट, या डू यू थिंक कि वहां पे भी कोई डीपर मीनिंग है as such?
No, I feel, yeah, I agree with you. Many people are dating just to be cool, you know. कि oh, I have this person by my side. So I agree with
चाहे
you.
बातें
But
कुछ ना होती हो.
हाँ, but एक वो टैग है कि ओ
हाँ.
मेरी बंदी है या मेरा बंदा है, राइट, लाइक आई सेड बिफोर. बट वंस वी ग्रो अप वी स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें और भी है जिन पे हमें फोकस करना चाहिए, बी इट आवर करियर और बी इट यू नो जस्ट स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद आवर फ्रेंड्स. जो हमसे लेट्स आई वुड से जो बिल्कुल टीनेजर है 13 14 जब वो स्टेज में जाते हैं, सो फॉर देम इट्स कम्प्लीटली न्यू, राइट. सो उनको बोलते हैं कि ओ वी हैव टू बी कूल, वी नीड टू डू दिस, वी नीड टू डू दैट. So I think yeah.
चलो rather than that is also true, but I feel like कि rather than saying कि वो tag के लिए, but देखो crushes होना it's completely normal, and even though parents, not all but some might have a problem with that you expressing that stuff, but I would just like to say to all the parents out there कि आप भी कभी 16 17 18 साल के थे, just remember that time thing कि what we are feeling right now, it's the very first time we are feeling anything
I
like that.
agree.
तो हमारे लिए तो नई चीज है, एंड वी लुक एट इट विद सच अ फैसिनेटिंग फेस, विद सच फैसिनेटिंग आईज कि हमको लगता है यार इससे प्यारी कोई चीज ही नहीं हो
I
सकती.
100% agree.
तो उसके अंदर देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग अबाउट दैट, इट्स लाइक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्योरेस्ट थिंग्स, बट जोश में होश नहीं खोने. जस्ट सेइंग.
Yes, I think वही point parents का है.
हाँ,
They know their kids know कि what will they
हमारे
do
ही
if
बच्चे हैं.
हमारे ही बच्चे हैं. What if they get more excited? But I think there is also this point कि अगर parents इतना रोकेंगे कि ओ ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं करना, then out of curiosity हम वो चीज definitely करते हैं कि ओ ये तो अब हम करके देखेंगे. So I think parents need to understand that, like you said, it's very normal, and in fact parents are evolving with us. They're trying to understand us. Like my parents allow me to date, right? Do your parents allow you to date?
हाँ sure.
So see, everyone is evolving. It's just our parents wants us to be safe. So yeah, that's the point.
तो वही है कि you should respect your parents in such a way that you're not hurting their feelings as well, rather than being respectful of your own choices. कि चीजों में rush नहीं करना है. You have to be very mindful of your choices, क्योंकि sometimes इस एज के अंदर it's so volatile, you might take certain steps that you might regret later on in your life. So you need to be mindful of that also, कि आप you are living your life on your terms, but be it so कि आप अपनी self respect को you are taking it to the utmost seriously, कि मतलब हाँ this is who I am, and these are my choices and I'm okay with that.
Yeah. Also, when you're with someone, especially us teenagers, we should make sure that we don't lose ourselves as a person when we are with someone. We don't want to change ourselves. Like it's okay, you know, to make adjustments and learn from each other, but don't lose your own spark. That most of the teenagers do now. They completely want to change the other person. Okay, oh, now you're my boyfriend, you have to behave in a certain way, you have to do this, you have to do that. Let them be their own person and be your own person, you know.
I feel like parents को ये चीज ज्यादा समझ आएगी, but to the teenagers out there as well, I feel like when you like somebody or you're dating somebody or you're together with somebody, right? So what happens is आप दो individual हो, आप you are two individuals that are together in this relationship. So even though you guys are together, I make sure you don't lose your own individuality. कि तुम कौन हो at the end, क्योंकि if you get into that race ki I have to be the perfect person for somebody else, then you lose yourself somewhere, 100%. Right? And the actions you take thereon, you might not be in full agreement with what you're doing or not. So rather than having that on your consciousness, be very mindful of your choices and just take things slow, I guess.
Yeah, I agree. So let's have a rapid fire round.
Sure.
First question. Yuvraj, what's the biggest ick for you?
Biggest ick for me?
Yes.
In a girl, I would say कि यार we are at this point where I personally am trying to better myself each and every day. So somebody with no ambition probably is like sort of my like biggest ick right now. So what about you?
Oh, my biggest ick. I think it's very silly.
Guys, take notes.
It's very silly, but for me, it's very serious.
Okay.
Guys who do not know how to chew properly. You know, who eat with their mouth open. biggest turn off.
तो जितने भी हमारे नंद लाला हैं, गाय हैं हमारे, भैंस जो भी,
Biggest turn off.
तो
Please know how to eat properly.
yeah, please guys, basic etiquettes,
Basic
just
etiquettes,
chew
like,
with
come
your
on, guys.
mouth closed, right?
Yes, yes.
Nobody wants to see तुम्हारे दांत में कौन सी पालक अटकी हुई है, ठीक है?
But yeah, definitely, guys, that's the biggest trick, and not just for me, like literally for every girl. Take notes.
Done. लिख लिया मैंने तो. Okay, so what would you say is like the biggest green flag or the general green flags in a guy?
Biggest trick is the green flags.
हाँ.
Okay. Green flags, like you said, ambitious होना. इस एज में इतने बस फुकरियां मार रहे हैं लड़के.
बहुत बढ़िया.
I would really appreciate if they have some real talent. And second green flag would be if they're just genuinely caring, you know. I really appreciate a caring, kind guy.
So be ambitious, chew properly, and be genuine.
Yes.
Done.
Done. Okay, now for you.
Green flag.
Yeah.
All right. So the biggest green flag in a girl for me would probably be like somebody who's just there to console you in your like
मम्मा चाहिए.
mama to nahi, but like somebody as a support system that you could just ring her up anytime, any time of the day and just be like ki, yeah, what's up, just to have a genuine conversation, right? क्योंकि boring लोगों से बातें नहीं होती.
I agree. I agree. I'm one of them. Boring.
Boring people, all right.
नहीं, boring बातें सिर्फ.
अच्छा, कि नहीं पसंद.
हाँ, बिल्कुल भी नहीं भाई.
Good.
Come on. Okay. Next question is, would you prefer to date someone younger or older?
देखो अभी तो हम खुद ही बच्चे हैं तो
कॉलेज में जाने वाले तो कम ऑन.
ऑल राइट, अभी देखते हैं. So saying that, I don't know why, but I probably feel like you could have better conversations, more deeper conversations with somebody that's older than you or has a bit more experience. So I would say, yeah, older women, yeah.
Yeah, of course. Even for me, like I would definitely date an older guy. I mean, it's fun. But anyways, next question.
Do you think that chivalry is dead?
Yes. 100%.
In general or like for specific guys?
I mean, nowadays hardly anyone is chivalrous. इसमें सिर्फ लड़कों का ही वो नहीं है. Even girls have, you know, put their point कि no, I'm a feminist and all that. I don't need any help and stuff. Like I'll give you one example. There was this podcast where Kriti Sanon, पता है कौन होगी, उसने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली थी कि being a girl, I know I can open a door. But I would really appreciate if someone would open for me. That is what chivalry is, right? And dead है आजकल, नहीं कर रहे तुम लड़के कुछ.
युवराज सदाना as an example, guys, please.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. Be chivalrous, like that's
Yes.
basic etiquettes.
Yes.
Know how to treat a girl, open the door, pull out the chair. You know, just be nice in general.
You know, it's okay to pamper her. And like for both cases, like even girl, you should also pamper your man. Like just spread love, guys. इतनी ego side पे रखो अपनी ego सारे.
We love all. That's it. Okay. So the next thing that I want to talk about is that parents in general, I feel like, are a bit finicky around their teenager dating and that term basically. So why do you think that is?
I think obviously उनका एक parent instinct जो होता है, they want their kid to be safe. So वो सबसे पहले रहता है. They don't know ना कि their kid is sensible enough कि उसको अपनी boundaries पता है. He or she knows his limits. So वो वाला point हमेशा रहता है parents में.
I feel like कि parents somewhere or the other just they want to protect their kid as much as they can. And when you're dating, you're letting somebody into your personal space. They are becoming your first degree companion alongside with your parents, and in that sense you need to be again very mindful. And of course your parents won't be there to protect you all the time, but just as long as they can, just till the time you're a teenager, they really want you to be safe out there. And I feel like that's completely normal from their side as well.
I mean, even let's say I have a younger sister, I'd make sure, you know, she's safe and giving her constant advices, even if she thinks ki, oh, she knows it all. But still, being an elder sister, I have to make sure that she's on the right path. Same thing our parents doing for us. So yeah.
But another thing that I want to say is ki teenagers nowadays I feel like are kind of scared to talk to their parents. मैं ये बोलूँगा कि देखो, they are also human beings, and if you make them understand it very nicely, very logically, that would be better than just ranting on and being angry at them कि नहीं आप मुझे मेरी life नहीं जीने दे रहे हो and what not, ठीक है? Because in anger you sometimes say stuff that you really don't mean, and that's really hurtful to someone. तो उसके अंदर just talk to your parents, be very open, be very genuine, आप उन्हीं के बच्चे हो, so you should have that clarity in your mind कि if I'm talking to my parents, they will listen, and parents
Yes.
on the other hand, they should feel like कि अगर my बच्चा is open enough to talk to me, I feel like I should reciprocate that and talk to him or her as openly as I can.
100%. I feel nowadays the kids they just give up कि ओ हमारे parents से strict है, वो सुनते ही नहीं है. You know, try करो कि make them understand कि okay, this is our situation and this is how things work now, and they will definitely understand. Like you said, parents को भी आगे से इतना करना पड़ेगा कि okay, if the child is coming to me and she is feeling safe with me, then I have to make sure that I have to react in a certain way that अगली बार से कि वो आई ना मेरे पास, right? So yeah.
So just like creating a safe space at your own place,
Definitely.
you can talk to me about anything, I can tell you anything that I want, and that thing in general. So moving on to the next topic, there is this a very big major thing going around the internet, which is the topic of sexting.
Yeah.
So anything you want to say regarding that?
Sexting, yeah, I mean, yeah, teenagers are doing it, but I'm thinking like earlier we were discussing how parents, react on all this dating stuff. So I was just thinking कि okay, for us sexting is very casual. Okay, ठीक है, चल रहा है. But as a parent, if you read your child's chat and okay, oh ये बातें कर रहा
I
है.
just don't want to imagine me being a kid and I'm reading my son or daughter's text कि
oh ये क्या लिखा है?
don't I don't want that picture
Parents
in my
को
mind.
वही डर होता है.
हाँ.
उनको नहीं पता what's our thought process, what we are thinking. According to them, तो their child is now out of hands. So yeah, sexting. But yeah, I think online बहुत ज़्यादा ही हो गया, and even हम भी we should stay safe.
So I think this is something that both the parents and teenagers should understand कि it's your own personal choice, ठीक है?
100%.
तो it's up to you if you want to do it, and if you don't, that's completely fine. Make sure that nobody forces you into it, and be very mindful of what you put out there on the internet, because anything can be used against anyone, and be very mindful of what you're typing, of what you're sending. If you're sending any intimate pictures, make sure that you trust that person completely. And personally, I would suggest to just avoid that. Avoid it. It's nothing's better than avoiding these kind of things, because somewhere or the other you get that thing in your consciousness ki what if this person ends up not liking me in the future and they use this thing against me. So be very mindful of what you're doing on your phone and on the internet, right?
100%. When you are in a relationship, you should make sure कि दूसरे बंदे का तुम पे प्रेशर ना आ रहा हो. If he is saying, like you said, be very mindful of sending all the intimate pics. करनी नहीं चाहिए at first place, though. It is not something that will ever justify your relationship. Yeah.
And then again, dating as an entire concept has a lot of nitty-gritties involved into it. So be very mindful, because these are the things that you will face moving on, and the more mindful you are about it beforehand, I feel like that's the best thing that you can do out there, right?
Okay, 100%. Now I have a very interesting question for you, Yuvraj. What advice will you give to your younger self, to the younger Yuvraj?
To the younger Yuvraj, I would say कि लड़कियों से दूर रहो. No, just kidding. But what I would genuinely give an advice to Yuvraj in general would be like, just try everything, right? You never know what's the next thing that you might end up falling in love with. In general, like you like things to do or something like that. Dating wise, I would say that be very mindful of the people you let into your inner circle, and be very respectful towards them, because respect is the very first thing that anybody deserves or anybody should give from their own sides. You should respect the opposite gender, and just be very mindful about them, right?
Yeah.
What about you?
Oh, so for younger Samya, I think I'll advise her that it's okay to let go of relationships. You can't hold on to people. Like, I don't want younger Samya, because I have realized you can't just hold on people. Ki, oh, I want you to stay in my life. If they'll want to, they will. If they want to put in efforts, they will. So yeah, that advice. In general, also we all should understand that it's okay for people to go. And I read this beautiful quote that some people come for a reason, some people come for a season, and some people stay for a lifetime. So I think I definitely believe in that. So yeah.
That's quite profound, actually. And I do relate with that and resonate with that to some extent, because I feel like there are a lot of relationships that come into your life in form of friends, in form of partners, in form of whatever you may say, even acquaintances and whatnot. So rather than thinking about what everybody is thinking about me and doing stuff, than just doing it for your own sake, I would say that would be better. And that is again me bringing up that point of retaining your own individuality, which a lot of people let go when they step into this world of dating. Ki if I like somebody and they like a certain kind of person, I will try and become that person rather than retaining my own individuality and who I am at the core.
You should definitely be with someone with आपका inner child feel करे safe. That is the most realest thing ever. When you can be all silly and goofy and all childish with that person, then yeah, that relationship will definitely be beautiful.
So just in the end, I would like to say to all the mothers watching this, 36 आएंगी 36 जाएंगी, मेरी वाली मेरी मम्मा लाएंगी. So keep exploring, guys. Trust your mother's instincts. She'll get a good girl for you.
Yeah.
Just man,
But be safe, everyone. Have fun.
Have fun.
Beautiful age.
And in the end, I guess from both of our side, we would like to conclude by saying ki dating is something that I feel like is very natural and should not be pushed down upon, because we all are quite hormonal at this age, and it's very nice to explore and get to know what you're dealing with out there. But be very mindful and of the kind of people you're interacting with, and just be safe and feel secure in your own hands. And talk to your parents, man. Like whatever you feel, just talk to them. They've already been through what you're going through, and it's like the best feeling you can get.
Yes, that is true. And also, parents, make sure that you create that space safe for your kids where they can come to you and tell you stuff. Just become their friends, and I'm sure आपको सब पता होगा अपने बच्चे का वो क्या कर रहा है. So yeah.
So thank you guys for tuning in for this session. See you all. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.